Usihlalo weKhomishana uthi isinqumo sikaZuma sokuvele ahambe kulesigcawu ngaphandle kwemvume sadicilela phansi isithunzi seKhomishana.
The decision by Mr. Zuma to leave the Commission without obtaining permission and in the face of a valid and binding summons is a serious matter. It impacts on the integrity of the Commission, the rule of law, and public accountability.
UZondo uthi umthethosisekelo ukubeka kucace bha ukuthi sonke siyalingana ngaphambi komthetho.
Our Constitution promises all of us that we are all equal before the law.
USihlalo ube esecacisa ngezinyathelo ezizothathelwa owayenguMengameli wezwe ngalokhu akwenza.
I have decided to request the Secretary of the Commission to lay a criminal complaint with the South African Police against Mr. Zuma so that the police can investigate his conduct. And in this regard, the Secretary would make available to the police all information.
Izazi zomthetho ziphawulile ngalesinqumo sikaSihlalo weKhomishana ephenya izinsolo zokugwamandwa kwamandla ombuso.
That means the matter will now be investigated, and if it is found that former President Zuma breached the provision, he will be charged in a court of law, and if then found guilty, will be sentenced for a maximum of up to 6 months imprisonment or some other punishment.
The police will open a docket and it will be sent to the Director of Public Prosecutions, who will then decide what next should happen.
Le Khomishana isizame izikhawu ezingama-26 ukuthi uZuma avele phambi kwayo ezophendula ngezinsolo zenkohlakalo ofakazi abangama-35 abamninda ngazo kulesigcawu.